Okay, so let's get into it. We're doing a deep dive on a really specific but really crucial piece of gear, the Datavideo ITC-100SL wired belt pack. We want to look at how this one piece of hardware helps keep a whole live production in sync.
Exactly. And it's interesting because you have to see the ITC-100SL as more than just a replacement part. It's really an expansion.
An expansion.
Yeah, the main ITC-100 system, that gets you 4 users out of the box. But, productions grow. This is how you scale up to the full 8 users. It's how you bring your, say, utility groups or your second AD onto the main comms loop.
Right, okay. And here's the thing that, for me, really shows their design thinking. Headset compatibility.
Oh, absolutely.
They didn't lock you into some proprietary expensive connector. It's a standard 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. That's the big
Yeah.
detail, I think. You can use cheap earbuds from your junk drawer or, a high-end broadcast headset.
And that really tells you who they're aiming for. It's about balancing cost with professional needs. Because while you have that cheap option, they also put in a 2.5 millimeter jack specifically for the more robust Motorola earphones. So they're covering both ends.
But wait a minute. If you're letting people plug in cheap consumer headsets, doesn't that create a weak link? I mean, what about audio quality and reliability when it's mission critical?
That's a great question, and it's a fair point. But a lot of that is handled by the signal processing inside the belt pack itself. The real robustness isn't in the headset you plug in, it's in the pack's technical core.
Okay.
I mean, look at the thing. It's a metal housing, it feels like it could survive a serious drop, and crucially, everything, and I mean everything, runs through one single point, that
Yeah.
5-pin XLR connector.
And that one cable approach is really the key for getting set up quickly, isn't it? Power, talkback, signaling, all in one.
It's the whole ball game. You don't have 3 cables to get tangled, or worse, fail independently. Centralizing it all into one solid connection just removes so many potential points of failure. And look at the controls, too. The talk button, the call button, the volume wheel, they're all big and tactile.
So you can use them without looking down when you're in the dark or in a rush.
Precisely.
So we have the solid build, the smart connectivity, but that's only half the battle. You need clear visual cues, which brings us to the tally system and what you actually get in the box with this.
Right. So when you buy one of these, you get the belt pack, you get the standard MC1 headset and mic, and you get 2 cables.
2 cables. Yep.
One is the 1.8 meter tally light cable, and the other is a massive 20 meter intercom cable.
20 meters. Wow. Okay, that's generous.
It's the unsung hero of this package, seriously. It means your new crew member can be almost 60 feet from the base station right out of the box. That solves, 90% of your standard studio layout problems without buying extra extenders.
And that tally light cable plugs into the TD1 tally light itself, which is just vital on a broadcast floor.
It is the visual language of the set. It has to be unambiguous. The TD1 uses 2 colors. Red means you are live, on air, simple. Amber means you're up next. You're in the preview monitor, so get ready. That clarity prevents so many on-air fumbles.
No confusion.
0. And just a quick note for, say, institutional buyers. The unit is TAA compliant. That's a big deal for government or university purchasing departments.
So it's clear the ITC-100SL is really a complete all-in-one station. It makes adding a new crew member to the system seamless and very reliable.
Exactly. And if we zoom out for a final thought here, the fact that they include that long 20-meter cable and have such a clear dual-color tally system, it just shows how much they prioritize reliable range and clear visual signals for keeping a big team synchronized. So this raises a really interesting question for you to think about. In your own complex, fast-paced production environment, which feature do you think has the greater impact on split-second crew efficiency? The flexibility to use any headset, or the instant clear visual cue of that dual-color tally light?